Hi friends, today we're going to be subtracting. So we're going to use our make 10 strategy, but we're going to do it with subtracting. So I want to show you first with 20 minus 9. So the first thing I want to do is draw 20. 10, 20. And now I have to take away 9 ones. But it's difficult for me to take away 9 ones when I have just a whole group of 10. So I have to think, how can I make this easier to take it away? I know I can turn this group of 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can show that I have 10 here and 10 here. And I can take away 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. And I have 1 left. So I can say, excuse me, that 10 minus 9 is the same as 1, which means I have 10 and 1 left. And I know that 10 and 1 is the same as 11, which means 20 minus 9 is the same as 11. Let's do another one, but this one I'm going to slow down and ask you some questions about it. So this one will be 30 minus 8. My first step is to draw out 30. 10, 20, 30. Now I need to take 10 here because I want to take away 8 from 10. So I have to turn this whole group of 10 into, that's right, I have to turn it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wish that kind of looks like an 18. Let me redraw that better. I'm going to do 5 next to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. That looks great to me. So now that I have 10 here, I've taken my 10 from 30. How many do I have over here? That's right, I have 20 here. Now I can do 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? Think in your brain. That's right, 10 minus 8 is the same as 2. 10 minus 8 is the same as 2. So now I have 20 plus 2. So if I have 20 plus 2, what would my answer be? That's right, 22. You're going to do a lot of these problems on your own, and it's going to look something like this with the lines here and the big boxes, kind of like what you guys saw yesterday. But this time you're separating 10 here to take this addend or take this minuend away from it. So you're going to take away today. All right, have fun.